Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare a simple egg curry with dry coconuts. For that, first we are going to saute the boiled eggs. So pour some oil in a pan. To this add 4 to 5 hard boiled eggs. Saute them. Fry till it slightly changes its color. This is perfect. We can take it out. And in the remaining oil, I am going to fry the onions. So I am going to add quarter cup of chopped onions. Saute the onions for few minutes and add half a cup of chopped tomatoes. Now add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute them well. Next it is time to add the masala powders. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder and the required amount of salt. Saute them well till the raw smell goes off. If you need extra oil, you can add it. Keep it in low flame, let this get cooked. By the time we are going to grind some masala, take half a cup of dry coconut, half an onion, 8 to 10 garlic, 4 to 5 cloves and 1 small piece of cinnamon. We have to grind it into a fine paste. Now let us add this into the sauteed onion tomatoes, and along with this we are going to add some water, around 2 cups of water. On the whole I have added 2 cups of water. Now bring this to a boil. This has started boiling. Now close this and we are going to cook this for another 5 minutes. This has started boiling and even the raw smell has gone. Now it's time to add the eggs. Now it's time for the eggs to cook in this masala. So close this and cook for another 5 minutes. This is perfect. Now keep it in high flame and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is almost ready. We can top it with some coriander leaves now. Our egg curry is ready. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.